Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove rusted torsion keys. The truck I got is an 03 GMC Duramax 2500. I will be removing a leveling kit. All you're going to need, torsion key removal kit. I got this one off Amazon. Right here, OEM tools. A 1-inch wrench or a socket. Impact gun with an 18mm socket. That's for this bolt right here, your adjuster screw for the torsion key. And if you really need a little bit more power, I have a torch here ready to go. Alright guys, here we are underneath the truck. So first thing we got to do, obviously we've got the front wheels up in the air to take the tension off the torsion bars. We're going to take our 18mm socket, put it on our screw, and we're going to take it all the way out. Just like that. Then we're going to take our torsion key removal kit. Right here, this little nib goes on top of the torsion key up top here. There's a hole, and you got to get her in there. Then there's a little groove in the bottom of the key, and the tool will go in there. As you thread it in, then you're going to take your 1-inch wrench and you just need to take enough pressure off so that you can slide the little stopper out. It'll slide out either the front or back. And this little guy right here is out. Now you can back your tool off. Just like that. And then go on to the next side. Do the same thing. Alright guys, welcome back. Took me a little longer than I expected. As you can see here, I did not get to use the torch on the driver's side. It was just a little bit too close to my fuel lines for comfort. I did get to use the torch on the passenger side. Came out really quickly, pretty easy. Here are the new beltech lowering keys. As you can see, the insides are lined up in there. And that is your different bolt positions. So I'm expecting a pretty big difference in the front end when it comes to ride height, seeing as I'm taking out a leveling and I'm going with a lowering key. Over here, just got to clean some stuff up, wire brush, and it'll be good as new. Alright, so as you can see, I couldn't get this torsion bar out. It's seized in the front. So all I did was took out the bolt here, lifted the front up, this cross member, and just popped it over. So now I've got enough room to slide my new key right up inside, just like so. I'm just going to take this little stopper just to hold it in, just like that. Now I have a jack on the torsion bar at the front, and it's just lifting it up. just so that I'm just about to the bottom of my transfer case. Now, just going to slowly move it forward. Once I get it tied up to the key,